She can't even turn around. Hold on, I had to do it with the other legs. It's like come on, man. It sucks how this house isn't handicap accessible for spiders.
Flip it upside. Can you make it flip over?
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. Hold on. That's pathetic.
It's handicapped.
Let me turn it off for the camera.
It turns out so slow.
Hey, I bet I can flip it. Come on, man, flip. Look, its feet are struggling. No, wait.
Flip it. Oh, you almost had.
I'm trying to.
Oh.
Come on. Here, I got some. Oh, that's cheap. I didn't mean to do it like that.
Okay,
That's
try to
cheap.
do it again.
Like that. Alright. Come on, man. You know you want to flip over. There's a certain trick to it. Come on. Once again. Come on, man. Flip over. I almost did it right there. Back a little bit. Come on, you little spider. You know you can. Any spider can. Gonna dance for you.
Try to make it move his left legs.
His left legs?
Yeah.
All it does is just go up and down. Hold on, man. Give me a second.
What happens if you move one back and the other one forward?
Oh, yeah, if I do it this way, he'll probably. Give him some. There you go. Son of a bitch! Wait, so hold on, you know what? Let me bring him back. Alright, let's see if I can. Let's see how far out he can move forward. Yeah, but you see him walking to the side. Quit hitting yourself. Quit hitting yourself. Come on, little spider. You can get up there. I feel sorry for it.
Make it flip over.
He's doing his mate call. You're like, do it real fast. Can you do it like real fast? Like that? They can't even keep up with your hand signals.
Zoom in and out, holding that up.
That's enough.